The plan that BCX had for today was to achieve more insight into the industry and what is in their mind of the possible solutions that is out there. Of course, internally we'll go back and assimilate that and understand how we can assist them in achieving their goals and their business objectives of overcoming these challenges. I think this is a large conversation. It's not going to be solved in one day. As long as there's progress made, improvements made, and that's how the mining industry normally, or the industrial industry, work. They work on incremental improvements to make a major change over a period of time.
Typically, the mining industry is amongst the last to transform or adopt new technologies. However, digital transformation is the now. There's benefits around the ESGs, carbon emissions. There's benefits around the logistics, being able to track minerals from point A to all the way up to the destination. There's some big benefits around optimizing safety, particularly underground, by deploying sensors almost everywhere, every part of the operation, and ensuring that we're collecting data that allows us to predict what is likely to go wrong before the actual event occurs.
Very insightful, and I also realized that the challenges and the thought processes that we have as an organization are not limited to us alone, but most organizations go through the same. And what was also key is a reminder to everybody: digital innovation is not just about the technology that comes with it, but it touches on people, process, technology, and the entire value chain.
For us, if there's no mine, there's no refinery, so we also need to look at that whole, where the new mines are, how can we optimize it, how we can get the gold faster to a refinery, how can we convert the product quicker into cash. Information, predictive, what is the gold price going to do in 3 months' time, what are the leading factors that can influence the mines. So looking forward in terms of digitalization, simulation, or predicting the future, and then also take it back to the mines. And this is how we need to digitalize it from the mine underground to the final product that's sold to a wooden bank.
Yeah, I thought it was excellent. The facilitator, Rodney, was quite engaging, quite thought-provoking. It was also a good mix of individuals, tech partners, different industries, different companies, as well as government in the room. My view is that in this industry, specifically around mining, we're very asset intensive. So we spend a lot of costs in terms of maintaining our assets to run our plants. So for me, digital transformation really is around using and leveraging big data to get to the concept of predictive maintenance, predicting when breakdowns will happen. And I think that's where I typically see the biggest bang for buck.